Hello YouTube, another comparison by Ross between Samsung and Apple, and mostly S21 Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro and their screens with adaptive refresh rate. This battle will be between 120Hz refresh rate on Samsung S21 Ultra and 120 refresh rate on iPhone 13 Pro. And yes guys, I know the size difference, but this is what I've got. I didn't own the Max, so that's why the regular 13 Pro will be compared to S21 Ultra and their refresh rates. But before we continue, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do this now and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss a video. Let's jump in. Okay guys, as you can see, I already enable in developer options in my S21 to show the screen refresh rate constantly. It's 60 Hz now because I'm not touching the screen and I'm not doing anything. If I touch the screen, you can see it is immediately going to 120 Hz and going down to 60 again when I release it. Here on our iPhone, sadly we don't have that option, but we'll go to settings and check if 120 Hz is enabled for both devices. Alright, let's go in Samsung settings, scroll down, display, motion smoothness, and you can see it is adaptive. Get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Alright, let's check the same for the iPhone. Settings, accessibility, motion, and you can see we have the option to limit frame rate. Set the maximum frame rate of the display to 60 frames per second. It is not enabled, so we have the 120 Hz refresh rate here on the iPhone. I know it's hidden in a stupid place in the settings, but this is how iPhones work. Alright, let's go back. We are now here in the settings. Of course, guys, I will explain what I will do with both devices. I will just scroll in different places in the menu, like in the settings and in different applications, stock applications and external applications, and we will see if both devices are using 120 Hz refresh rate. Of course, when I scroll in the menu or in some of the applications. So without further ado, let's check them. Okay guys, we are now here on the settings menu and we'll check the refresh rate here on settings. I will just scroll up and scroll down. Let's do this. It is the menu here on the iPhone is longer, so let's go in up again. Keep in mind that Samsung is using standard animation scale set to 1, so no changes here. Again, let's going down. You can see iPhone's animations are a little bit different, a little bit slower, but this doesn't mean it's not using 120 Hz. Alright, one more time. Okay, we are ready here. Let's go here. We'll start by launching different applications and we'll check scrolling there. We'll start with Instagram because that's what most of people are doing with their phones. They are just scrolling on Instagram. Let's open it. We'll just start by swiping up. Okay, again, let's do this. Alright, that was it. This is the Instagram stories. Let's remove them and continue with the next application, which will be the browsers. Here on the Samsung I will use Chrome browser, and here on the iPhone I will use Safari browser, because I'm not sure Apple are enabling the maximum refresh rate for Chrome. So let's open a random page. I will just open Android Authority web page because there is lots of scrolling. So let's start. Alright, we are at the end of the page. Let's going up now. You can see here refresh rate on Samsung is changing almost all the time when I touch the screen. So just watch it. You can see again here on Samsung scrolling is faster. And let's move to next application. This will be a Twitter. Let's open it. Alright, so we are ready. Let's start scrolling. Now let's going up. Twitter is ready. That was it. Alright, I will now just open eBay. I'm searching here for Pixel 6 and we'll start scrolling down. Alright guys, at this point you already can see the difference, and you already know if Apple are using 120 Hz all the time or just in certain places. You can see Samsung is using 120 Hz almost everywhere, not almost everywhere, in every application, and for iPhones you can just see where exactly they use 120 Hz. Is Apple lying to us? Let's check something else. We'll open now Subway Surfers and check in the game if 120 Hz is working for both devices. Alright, we are here at the home screen. Let's start a game. you can see here on Samsung 120 Hz is working only when I touch the screen for a jump or something else, and you can compare it with iOS. Let's again play a little bit. Alright, I think it's enough. And the final stage here will be YouTube. Let's open it. And we can just start scrolling through the feed. Let's open one of my videos and check if it will stay 120 here or it will go to 60 when I play the video. Big change, just going to 60. A little bit transparent background and weather. Now we are ready, and you already see the difference between Samsung and Android. Maximum refresh rate and adaptive screen refresh rate, and the same on iOS device. So is Apple lying to us if they are enable 120 Hz all the time? I will leave the conclusion to you. That was it for today, and if you want more videos like this, comparisons between Android and iOS, just let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.